Hello, everybody.
Hi, everybody. So, we're going to do colors.
We're about to do our colors. Yay! So today, Imani has some guests with her. She has her baby brother, Eli, and her other baby brother, Josiah. Huh, Mama? Are your brothers with you?
Yep.
Yay! Okay. So, today, what are we doing? Yeah, our colors. Okay, I'm going to hand you a fidget spinner, and you got to tell me what color it is, okay? Okay, so I'm going to pick a fidget spinner, and you have to tell me what color it is. And if you get it right, play with it. You ready? Alright, I got the first one. What color is this? Purple! Yay, you're right. You get to play with it. Where can you twirl that? Can you twirl on your head? Wow. Cool. Okay, so that was purple. Okay, next color. What color is, yeah, leave it there and say what color is this one? Orange, yay! You go ahead and play with it. Whoa, did that one light up? Oh. Let me see you twirl it. Whoa, dance and twirl like this. Oh, yeah. Okay, line up the purple one next to the orange one by the purple one. Okay, you ready for the next one? Yep. All right, everyone, I think Imani's gonna get all of these right. Let's see if she knows all of them. What color is this one? Green. Good job. Go ahead. Let me see you twirl that fidget spinner. Whoa, it's going so fast.
Let me see this one.
Imani has all different colors in her hair today, and her shirt's so colorful, huh, Mama? So you got purple, orange, and green. Okay, ready for another one? All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Red! Yay! You are so smart, Imani. You go, girl. Look at Eli. He's just sitting there like, this is not fun. Oh, go, Imani. Go, Imani. Go, baby. Uh-oh, you dropped it? Okay, put it next to the green one. Let's pick another one out. Whoa. All right, let's see what we got. You ready? What color is this? White! You go, girl! Okay, you ready for the next color? Let me see you play with the white one. Is that one real fast? It got the spikes on it. Okay, let's see. We got, Mommy's favorite color. You knew it before I pulled it out. It's the pink one. Here you go. Good job. What's your favorite color, Mama?
I like pink and change hands.
Same as your shirt? What's wrong, Eli? Wow, that's cool. Wow, you got a lot so far. I think we still have some more. You ready for the next one?
Yep.
All right, let's get it.
Give me that one.
Uh-oh, what's this one? Blue. Woo. Wow, you like the blue one?
Yeah.
Whoa, this one's so fast. Put your head back some more so don't fall. Whoa. Blue. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yep.
All right, what color is this? Yellow! Yellow! Woo! All right, we got some more. You ready? Oh, we already did this one, but we got it again. You ready? Green. Here you go. Let me see you throw that one on your head. It might light up. There it is. Yay! Can you throw that one in your head?
Yep.
Let me see. Green. We got purple, orange. colorful fidget spinners. Well, there's so many. You're gonna get them all to go? Whoa, those are going so fast. The pink and the blue. Say bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, all of Imani's YouTube friends.